Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'd like to show you how to remove viruses from your computer, from your Windows operating system, without having to use an antivirus. This script I'm going to show you is so effective. It is so effective. It has a good reputation all over the internet. It is safe to use and it is powerful. You know, viruses are so dangerous. They can cause a huge amount of financial losses, especially if you hold sensitive data for your business or for your employer or for your company. Those viruses can destroy your computer, can allow hackers or bad actors to intrude into your computer. But buying enterprise or premium antivirus software is very expensive, and some people may not be able to incur the costs of buying those antivirus software. Now, in this method, I'm going to show you how, or the best way to remove viruses effectively from your computer. I would like you to try this method and you let me know how it has worked for you in the comment section below. You know, you can share your experience, or if you are watching this video and you ever used this method, or you ever used this tactic of removing antiviruses, then you can share your experience below and tell everyone how it worked for you. Now, what we are going to do is to use a script that is written by some genius. I call him genius because the script is so powerful. I already have the script installed on my computer, but I'm gonna show you how to access this script and use it on your computer. You don't have to be an IT genius or a technology expert or a specialist to use this script. All you have to do is to follow the instructions I'm showing you here, and then you remove viruses from your computer. Now, I want you to open your search engine or Google Chrome. For my case, I'm using Google Chrome. And I want you to search for Tron script. So, Tron script, you can see the author of this script can be found on Reddit. So, you just click that link. I'm going to leave this link in the description below so that you use it to find the script and download it. Now, this is where you find the script. Now, what we have to do is to we would like to click. I'm not logging in. You click on Tron author. I think this is better. It's a better way. You can click on the link on the author, and you read more about this script here. The version updates is ever updating the script. You can also check it on GitHub, and also we also learned that this script has an Italian language support. You know, it is constantly being updated. You know, the updates, version 12 2021 in July 23rd. So is ever constantly updating the script. So it's a self script you can use. Now, what you are interested in most is how to get the script. So these are the links, download links. The different media sites, methods where you can download the script. You can use any of these links. For example, when I click on this link, it's gonna take me to a media site where I can download the script. Now, it is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is to click download, and it is downloading right now. As you can see, the script is downloading. I'd already downloaded the script on my computer, so I don't have to repeat downloading it, but for the purpose of instruction or instructing you how to do it, I've done it twice to help you understand. I'll put the link in the description below so that you get the script. Now, having downloaded the script, it's most likely to be in your Windows download folder, because downloads are usually, unless if you configured a special download folder or a custom down folder, but Windows by default has a download folder. So what we need to do is to go to our download folder, and this is the script. We've just downloaded it. Now what we do when we find the script in our download folder is to copy the script this script and paste it on our desktop, on our Windows desktop. So you copy and paste it here on your Windows desktop. Now, I want you to be very careful or very attentive as I take you through these steps. After copying the script from your download folder to your desktop, the next step is to click on the script. You click on the script, and now the script, you wait for the script to extract the necessary files to your computer. It's now extracting everything you need on the computer. Now, the next step, the script is asking us, okay, it is actually done extracting, you know. I would like to repeat this step once again, not to confuse you. Let me delete these files. The first thing we need to do after downloading your script from your from the internet, go to your download folder and copy the script onto your desktop. After that, click your script. Click your script. Click on it. No, it's not supposed. Sorry. It's not supposed. You have to click once. It has to generate the files, only one files. I am using a remote desktop connection, so my connection is a little bit has some bit of latency issues. That's why responding is a bit slow. So please bear with me. But you need to click once and wait. You don't have to click twice, because if you click twice, it may cause some bit of conflict. Now, you have to leave it to generate. You leave it to generate the files that we are going to use to work on. Now it is generating the files. Okay, now it is done generating the files. Now the next step, the folder we are interested in is this one, which is generated by the script. If you want to use the script once again, this folder is not reusable. It is only used once. So after using it to scan your computer, you have to just delete it. When you delete it and you want again to scan your computer or to scan another computer, all you have to do is to go back to the original file we downloaded and then again generate another file that you can use to scan your computer. Can I repeat that once more? Once you use this script, the one that is already generated is not reusable. You only use it once and you can never use it again. After using it and after scanning your computer, you just have to delete the files and you only keep the original package, the one which you downloaded. Now we are going to use this script we generated to begin scanning this computer. I'm using this virtual computer from my server on the cloud because I wanted to not to cause to interfere with my other computer while scanning. Scanning, it takes a lot of some bit of time. If you have a lot of files on your computer, or maybe your computer has a big hard disk or SSD with a lot of files, it could take a long time while scanning. So what you have to do is to leave it there to run. It will run for an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours or even 5 hours, depending on the size of the files that are on your computer. So what you have to do is to just be patient and leave the system to scan for you. Whatever file that is corrupted, it's gonna delete. Even the corrupted system registry keys that are corrupted, it is going to fix all of them. It's going to remove every infected file, folder, and anything that is infected that has a lot of viruses. If you have viruses, it's going to generate the file, the folder and the log file for you and the report, and you'll be able to know all the viruses that were on your computer. So it will delete everything that has been compromising your computer security. This script is for Windows. As far as I know, the version that I'm using is for Windows. I've not yet found a version for Mac, but maybe you can try to find out online and see whether you can see a Mac version. Now let's get started. Now when you open the folder that has been generated, you will see that inside there are different files. We have this packaged batch file and another folder that contains different dependencies. So what we are interested in are these two: the batch file, which is named Tron, and the folder that has other dependencies, which is named resources. Now, for your own security precaution, I would advise you to first read the README files, the instruction files. You have to go through this documentation, but you have to go through. Definitely, I recommend that you go through the documentation and know the best practice to follow while using this script. Now, after reading through those instructions, the next step is to copy. I would like you to copy the batch file named Tron and the folder named resources and paste it on the desktop. After placing these files on the desktop, the next step is to run to run our script, so you can run as an administrator. So it is loading. As you can see, it is loading the files. It is loading. It can download the latest versions. So now it is telling us, this is what it is telling us: annoying disclaimer, hey, read the instructions and understand what Tron does, because it does a lot of stuff that while not harmful can be annoying if not expected, e.g. wiping temp files, log store, cookies, etc. So if Tron does something you didn't expect and you didn't read the instructions, it is your fault. tron.bat and the supporting code and the scripts are free and non-open and open source under the MIT license. All third-party tools from tools Tron Cores, MBAM, KVRT, etc. are bound by their respective licenses. It is your responsibility to determine if you have the rights to use these tools in whatever environment you are in. Bottom line, by running Tron, you accept to complete responsibility for anything that happens. There is no warranty. When you run it at your own risk, and anything that happens, good or bad, it is your responsibility. If you don't agree to this, then don't run Tron. Type agree all in caps to accept this and go to the main menu or the process, or press Ctrl+C to cancel. Now we want to run. I think it's better that you get this information right for total transparency. This script doesn't give you a total assurance that it's gonna make your system better, but according to the experience I have with this script, and also so many other people who have been testifying about the efficiency and the effectiveness of this script, it gives you an insight or an understanding that the script is very effective and actually has a good positive review on the internet. The other thing I would like to inform you in advance is that this script, if you're running Windows is likely not to flag the file thinking that probably it is a malicious file. It's not a malicious file. As you can see, I already have an updated version of Windows Defender. It is running. My Windows Defender is running, and to be very sure about it, you can even go scan through the script. If you have Windows Defender, it is running, it is on, it is running, and it has not flagged the script, so it is a safe script. I wanted to inform you this in advance because Windows usually flag applications that are not signed, so it's likely to flag it as if it is not a safe script or maybe something like that. But it is a safe script. You can also research on your own on internet and find out it. It is a very effective and powerful script. I'm advising you to seriously consider using to remove viruses from your computer. Now let's get started with our process. Now we need to type and agree and hit enter. So here this it is actually, this is what it is telling us. We have it, the runtime estimate could range from 7 to 9 hours, but this depends on the size of the files that are on your computer. So it could be 1 hour, 30 minutes, 20 minutes, or 40 minutes, or any time, depending on the size of the hard disk and the folders and files that are on your computer. So now to get started, you just hit enter. You can hit any key anyway, so any key can get you started, enter or any button. So the system, the script has started running. All it does is to run and flush out every data file that is on your machine. It will scan for viruses. It will scan for anything that is undesirable on your computer, on your Windows, and to do whatever it takes to clean your machine. It will even remove files that have been taking up your hard disk space and that they are undesirable. So it is a step to step. It takes a lot of time. All you have to do is to be patient. You just have to be patient and I'm not gonna record the whole process of trying to of scanning. As we are scanning, I'm not gonna record the whole video here to scan everything here, so because it may take some bit of time. So as you can see, on this computer, it is telling me an app on your PC needs the following Windows feature, so you can download it. Whatever it tells you, how to make sure you follow. So I'm installing the .NET framework feature on my Windows. I'm actually running Windows on Azure, so your machine may not have to go through some of these steps, but this is an instance on Azure, so for the purposes of this video. So we are downloading the .NET framework file. You have to do it. If it asks you to do that, then you have to do it. This script is an automated. It's automated. It's a very good, a strong one, and powerful. So it is pausing for the .NET framework, and that's why we have to download it, to download this dependence, so that it works. So since it is an automated script, it will reinstall itself, so we have to wait. You just have to look at the interface here and see what is needed or what is being executed to clean your system. Okay, so the .NET is installed, so you have to wait as it works on itself. Okay, so launch job is launching all the dependencies that are required to automate the virus removal. So it automates the process of removing viruses, and you don't need enterprise expensive antiviruses at some point, especially at the individual level. You can just use this script to make everything very simple for you. Alright guys, what I'm going to do is to pause this video, and I'm gonna get back to you to show you the final results once the script has done done with scanning. If I record this video, the entire process of scanning, it could take me hours or even a long time out of bound for this video. So if you're attempting to run this script, all you have to do is to make sure you give your machine time to run. Don't be in panic or hurry. Or if you're not so sure about the safety of this script, I would also advise you to run a virtual machine. You can run a virtual machine on your computer, on your local machine, on your local computer, and you try out this script. You can even test the script by scanning it with other antivirus software. You can scan it and see what the results you're going to get. But as far as I've read and I've seen it and I've experienced it, I have tested it, this script is very, very secure, so you don't have to worry about its safety.